This is the approach I would take if I were beginning my journey in day trading from scratch. To provide some background, I've been engaged in trading for approximately 6 years. Initially, I pursued a finance degree in college, contemplating a conventional path into investment banking. However, my trajectory shifted as I became captivated by stock trading. Recognizing the potential to earn as much, if not more, than a typical job, I dedicated myself to extensive study, delving into the intricacies of the stock market. Over time, I've been sharing my knowledge, teaching and mentoring premium members in my Discord community. Additionally, I developed my own private indicator, incorporating insights gained from years of experience in algorithmic trading. Let me confess right away that when I started trading, I was far from proficient. Actually, quite bad. Reflecting on it, I can envision how much a video like this, guiding me through the foundational steps of learning to trade, would have significantly hastened my progress. Hence, I'm creating this video because I understand how valuable such guidance would have been at the outset of my trading journey. First and foremost, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. This cannot be emphasized enough. Continuous learning and the pursuit of improvement in your trading skills should be a constant. Even now, after years of experience, I continue to learn daily, dedicating myself to becoming a better trader. I've consumed over 10,000 hours of trading YouTube videos throughout my trading years, and despite my expertise, I still discover new advanced trading techniques regularly. The key takeaway here is to never become complacent. Always strive for improvement. Moving on to a crucial tip, there are 3 distinct stages in trading: the learning phase, the testing phase, and the execution phase. It's essential to recognize that success doesn't happen overnight. Many beginners make the mistake of watching a few trading videos, getting inspired by movies like The Wolf of Wall Street, and expecting instant wealth. Instead, focus on learning, developing a strategy, testing it thoroughly, and evolving as a trader. Profits will naturally follow as a byproduct of your knowledge. Dedicate your efforts to learning, and the financial gains will come in due course. This leads me to my next piece of advice. Start with a trading simulator. While it might seem less exciting, especially for new traders, using a simulator is crucial. I made the mistake of diving straight into a live account when I began, and in retrospect, it was a terrible idea. If there's a must-do list for new traders, using a trading simulator should be right at the top. Step 1 involves experiencing losses, which is almost inevitable, especially for new traders. If you're just starting, it's likely that you'll encounter financial setbacks. Therefore, consider preserving your capital, engage in practice until you feel confident in your trading skills, and then transition to using real money. Trust me, you'll appreciate this approach later on. The key is to treat the simulated trading funds as if they were your actual funds. Operate with the same amounts and attempt to replicate the emotional responses you'd have in a live trade. While easier said than done, it's crucial to make this effort. Moving on to a live account should only occur once you've identified a successful strategy, conducted thorough testing, gained control over your emotions, mastered risk management, and most importantly, achieved consistent profitability with your strategy. Rushing through this phase can lead to significant financial losses that could have been avoided. Only proceed when you are genuinely prepared. Resist the urge to hurry. Another essential tip is to select the right broker. This step holds significant importance, as not all brokers are equal. Drawing on my extensive experience with various brokers, I can offer valuable advice. If you're interested in Forex or crypto trading, I wholeheartedly recommend Hanko Trade. They boast some of the lowest fees and spreads in the market, coupled with a user-friendly dashboard. Additionally, they offer a remarkable 100% deposit bonus up to $25,000. By depositing $25,000, Hanko Trade will match that amount, effectively giving you an additional $25,000 for free. To take advantage of this deposit bonus, sign up using the link in my description, deposit any amount, and they'll match it. The next tip is to seek out a mentor. When I started, I attempted to create my own strategy with my rule set and minimal experience. However, reinventing the wheel is unnecessary. If someone else's strategy is successful, it's likely to work for you as well. Therefore, finding a mentor is highly recommended. There's an abundance of free information on platforms like YouTube, the internet, and Discord servers. Personally, I regularly post informative videos for free, and many other YouTubers do the same. Select a mentor whose content resonates with you and dedicate time, perhaps on a designated day like Sunday, to learning. Joining a trading community, such as my Discord, allows you to connect with like-minded traders, share charts, ask questions, and gain insights into various strategies that have proven successful for others. In my Discord server, you'll find plenty of friendly individuals willing to assist you in your trading journey. Some of my closest friends today are people I met through the Discord server, demonstrating that you can forge meaningful relationships. Surrounding yourself with successful traders and expanding your network of connections enhances your chances of success. Here's another valuable tip. Maintain a trading journal. Personally, I still document all my trades to this day. When faced with a losing trade, I make a note of it and retrospectively analyze what went wrong. Did I enter at an opportune moment? Were my emotions influencing my decisions? Did I exit prematurely or too late? By identifying mistakes promptly, you can implement necessary changes and rapidly improve as a trader. Apply this not only to losing trades, but also to winning ones. Analyze what you did right, recognize patterns in successful trades, and replicate those winning tendencies in future transactions. Various platforms can automate trade tracking for you. I'll provide a link in the description for your convenience. Another crucial tip is realizing that you don't need to be in a trade 24/7. Although it can be frustrating to invest time and effort into market analysis only to find no suitable setups, it's essential to recognize that forcing trades is counterproductive. Only enter a trade when you are fully confident in the setup and the likelihood of the trend aligning with your expectations. If a trade seems questionable and you're contemplating entering just for the sake of it, resist the urge. The market will always be there, and there's no need to rush. As the saying goes, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Recognizing when to refrain from entering the market sets apart a good trader from a great one. Finally, my last tip is to find a successful strategy and thoroughly test it. Fortunately, in this video, I discuss one of my proven strategies. Feel free to check it out, and thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.